of women. Very scared. They actually, मतलब एक किस्म का, मैं आपको एक छोटा सा किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. जब मैं टोरंटो में एक कनाडा में एक फ्लाइट क्रैश लैंडिंग हुई थी. एंड दिस इज अ रियल थिंग. क्रैश लैंडिंग हुई थी तो सारे पैसेंजर बच गए. एंड व्हेन दे ओपन द गेट, listen to me carefully, when they opened the gate, 95% men had peed in their pants. Really, 95% men had peed in their pants, and 36% women had peed in their pants. So you can imagine the difference. How scared are we? We are actually very scared of situations. It is always, जब भी हमारे प्रॉब्लम होती है, हम सबसे पहले याद करते हैं माँ. Because we need courage, and that is what you should do. What happens with women is, when somebody tries to touch them or attack them, they freeze. They freeze because they don't know what to do, what has happened. They were not ready for the situation like this. Never in their life something has ever happened. So don't freeze, answer back, trust me. If you only shout, men are going to run away.
Thank you, Akshay. That's a fantastic message. Akshay, but you are known as fearless, and here we see you with a lion, in fact. So tell us, did you like have some bonding time with the lion that we see?
Yeah, just exactly 2 hours. The producer gave me only 2 hours because we were there for only 1 day to shoot. So yes, I got a little bit time, and he was kind enough, and he actually sat down properly. But बीच में उसको गुस्सा भी आता है. That video clipping, I don't know, she has it, where he actually there's a scene कि गाड़ी में पीछे बैठे हुआ है वो मेरे, and he's sitting down and I'm driving the car. Something happened to him, he got angry. I think it was the reflection on the आगे का जो कांच होता है उसके अंदर उसने अपना reflection देखा. He thought there was another lion. He actually hit the whole thing and just मतलब टूट गया सारा का सारा. एंड आई तो रैन अवे बिकॉज उससे कौन टकराएगा, उससे कोई नहीं टकरा सकता. So
but there was a major bonding between him and the lion, and you've seen Akshay is actually very good with animals. You've seen the camel kiss, which has become very famous now with Tung Tung. So even the lion, he actually got a lick from the lion, though it wasn't a very pleasant experience for him.
Oh, that was like a sandpaper. When he licked me, it was like a sandpaper. So don't ever try this at home. Okay.
Hello, Akshay, just one last question. Just going to use this platform to ask you, do you know about the arrest that happened at midnight at FTII, and do you have anything to say about it?
No, ma'am, I'm not going to answer anything like that. I'm just going to talk about Singers Bling, ma'am.
Sure, thank you.
हेलो बाबू सर, सुमित डेली टाइम्स से. बाबू सर, आपका हर मूवी में एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है डांस के लिए, और स्पेशल आप कुछ इफेक्ट्स डालते हो उसके अंदर और कुछ नए स्टेप्स है. तो अक्षय साहब से आपने क्या स्टेप नया करवाया इस बार?
Actually, in this film, four music directors are there, and they given the superb songs, and I didn't choreograph any song. All other people. I think every song has the unique style.
आपका कुछ यूनिक स्टाइल है जो अक्षय साहब से नेचुरल आपने करवाया. तो प्लीज मैं चाह रहा हूँ 2 सेकंड में कुछ अक्षय साहब से कुछ करवाओ प्लीज. एक कुछ ऐसा स्टेप हो जाए प्लीज.
सर वो जब गाने का लॉन्च होगा ना तब करेंगे सर. अभी फिलहाल ट्रेलर का.
तो सर आप एक स्टेप तो बताओ, क्या स्टेप दिया आपने अक्षय साहब के लिए?
जी मैं कह तो रहा हूँ आपको, जब गाने का होगा तब मैं आपको बता देंगे. अब आपके पास आके बता देंगे, आपको ऑफिस में बुलाएंगे तब अकेले बैठ के दिखाएंगे सारा.
क्या बात है.
थैंक यू गाइस. हाँ
Well, she's writing it, you read it, then we can talk about it, because at the moment I don't want to say anything, and I don't want to spoil the fun of what she's writing. And it's just a person's point of view, so there's nothing like any... at the moment, I'm not going to give my point of view. Nothing, वो मेरे से गलती हो गई. I calculated it wrong and the whole fire ring fell on me. But I was lucky enough to escape, and that's it.
Thank you guys.
Sorry? Sir, we have not finalized it, sir. Sir, we have not finalized it, sir.
Any question? Last question, please. हाँ प्रभु आपने कोरियोग्राफ नहीं.
No, normally in my films others only choreographs.
डायरेक्शन कर रहे हैं भाई अभी क्या है?
No, they are better than me, other choreographers.
Thank you guys, बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you very much everybody. Thank you.
Singers playing. आप लोगों के लिए बाहर बढ़िया लस्सी तैयार है, इस मेले का आनंद लीजिए. Thank you guys, बहुत शुक्रिया. फीवर 104 FM के जितने भी लिसनर्स हैं, प्लीज टेक, आप प्लीज अपने स्थान पर बैठिए. Thank you guys. Thank you.
कितने दिनों से प्लानिंग चल रही थी, थीम क्या रखे, कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करें, क्या करें, बट इस बार मेरी फैमिली ने इजी कर दिया.